Hello readers, welcome to your channel Reader's Diary, where you get high level knowledge in a very short time. So let's start. Today we'll talk about top 7 rules from the book Deep Work. Rule number 1. Focus on wildly important. The more you try to do, the less you actually accomplish. Rule number 2. Busyness as proxy for productivity. In the absence of clear indicators of what it means to be productive and valuable in their jobs, many knowledge workers turn back toward an industrial indicator of productivity, doing lots of stuff in a visible manner. Rule number 3. The craftsman approach to tool selection. Identify the core factor that determines success and happiness in your professional and personal life. Adopt a tool only if its positive impact on these factors substantially outweigh its negative impact. Rule number 4. Deep work. Professional activities performed in a state of distraction-free concentration that push your cognitive capabilities to their limits. This efforts creates new value, improve your skill, and hard to replicate. Rule number 5. Don't take breaks from distraction. Instead, take break from focus. Rule number 6. 2 core abilities for thriving in a new economy. Number 1. The ability to quickly master hard things. Number 2. The ability to produce at an elite level in terms of both quality and speed. Rule number 7. The deep work hypothesis. The ability to perform deep work is becoming increasingly rare and exactly at the same time, it is becoming increasingly valuable in our economy. As a consequence, the few who cultivate this skill and then make it the core of their working life will thrive. Thank you so much for listening. Keep hustling, keep reading, stay connected.